Equity Bank currently has operations in 5 East African countries comprising Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, South Sudan and Rwanda. The bank has plans to further increase its presence in the East African market by opening branches in, among others, Burundi.
Ethiopia looks very attractive to us because while 52% of all Kenyans are banked, Ethiopia is still at the range of 8% of the population banked. So the bulk of the population is not banked.
The bank, which currently has 10 million customers, plans to increase tenfold to 100 million by rolling out services across Africa. This will be within 5 years that would see the financial institution open branches in several South African countries.
In the medium term, we would like the shareholders to consider whether we could create another cluster in the South African region that would consider Malawi, Zambia, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, another 4 countries, so that you can have a regional bloc of countries that we have invested in.
The continental expansion that is expected to cost the bank 200 billion shillings would also see it roll out services in Nigeria and Ghana.
We see that as a huge opportunity, given that South Sudan, Uganda, Rwanda and Tanzania border Congo. And so it will be just an extension.
Locally, Equity Bank plans to focus more on SMEs with the hope of helping players benefit from the oil and gas sector. As the Equity Group Holdings Limited AGM comes to a close, the leadership is seeking the support of its stakeholders and approval to increase its customer base from the current 10 million to 100 million, looking at the larger East African bloc, with the likes of Ethiopia, DRC, Nigeria and Ghana in the offing within the next 10 years. Regina Manyara Gitao reporting for Channel 1 Business.